Hello everyone. In this video, I will answer a question from a Facebook group. So it's like this, the diagram that he made ended up looking like this. Let me give an example. Let's say the diagram is 6 meters long. But when they send the print command, the printer outputs it with the layers overlapping like this. That's it. So he asked about this in the group, and today I'm making this video to answer the question for everyone to refer to. So pay attention. When we send the print command, you'll press Ctrl L, right? Plot. Then we'll choose the file path here. For example, I'll select the path to the desktop to make it easier. There, okay? Next, please pay attention for me to this part, the X here and the Y here. This X here is the maximum length of the diagram. If, for example, we often work with diagrams that are less than 10 meters long, we should set this value to around 1000, which corresponds to a maximum diagram length of 10 meters. But if we have diagrams that are as long as 12 meters, for example, then we should set this number to around 1500. That means if it exceeds the value for that diagram, it won't overlap. As for the y-axis, that's the width of the diagram. For example, if we usually set the width of our diagram or the layout to 1.6 meters, then we should set it to 1.8 meters. But if we use a layout width of 1.8 meters, then we should set this number to about 1.85 meters so that when we send the print command, it won't overlap like that. So if we want to change this number, you will go into the setup section. Here you see you will look at the box labeled cutting setup, cutter setup. You will look at the device section, the driver format section. You select HPGL for me. Yes, that's the default for the print file. So whenever we print, it's always HPGL and any printer will be able to recognize it. In this X section, the length here, pay attention. If, for example, my layout here is 6 meters long, then I just set this number to around 1000 and that's just right. That corresponds to the maximum length of the layout being 10 meters, okay? We can also send print commands for layouts longer than 9 meters and it's still fine, okay? As for the width, if our piece here is 1.6 meters, I just leave it at 1.8 meters as the default and that's fine. After that, I will click OK. I will click OK here, yes. Because I already have a layout file available, it's asking if I want to overwrite it. So now we will open the layout printer there and we will open this file. I will open this file now. Then the details will never overlap each other again. And here I'm answering the question that you asked in the group. And remember, if you've watched this far, please subscribe to support the PDF Academy channel.